third part I explain you how to design the that now tags, so how to design the hyperlinks and how to create that class A. So in this part I am explaining you so how to connect. Already I connect, but I have to design that page, so I will show you. So this is now here bj1, here fruit. So in next page, whenever you click on this, it should be the open another file. It is not going to display the files that about orange benefits, about the jackfruit benefits, about the watermelon benefits, about the banana benefits. So it should be displayed. So that purpose I will connect the web page, new web page I will create for this purpose. And here I am going to use the internal style sheet and external style sheet. So in this way we'll learn about the all parts when you design the web page. So I will use HTML. So already I created that slides. So I will copy paste and I will explain. So it is going to take a time. So because of this, so I will copy paste it. I like this benefits of app. It should be displayed. So I will what I will do. I will the text I will copy and paste there. So Control A. Copy and I will paste here. So here what I did, so that I will explain only. So now see here, so here P1 apple, HTML head, title, P2 busy color red, text color white, style, here style, internal style sheet here I use. And in internal style sheet I use here background color, text color, and I close this and health benefits of apple. So here I put here, so I can change here apple health benefits. I put apple health benefits. So health benefits, health benefits, apple health benefits. So now this text I copy for this benefits, so that you can also take a benefits and can create copy paste also. So for this is for learning stage, that purpose you have to copy. So after that HR tag I use horizontal width and color width. If I increase, so it will be display the I like this color blue. And now see I will save it, save as. So in fruit p2.html, and now how it will be displayed the output of the program. Now see here. So output of the program see here, and run it. Third file create. Now click on this, it will display the apple health benefits. Got it? So in this way I connect this first one. Now second, same I will copy paste, so it will now save the times. So again I will open that text, previous text 2, I copy, Control A and Control C, and I will paste here. So here internal size. Now I will explain it to you from first what I did here. So here HTML head, title and close busy color, brown text color. Here also use the internal style sheet H1, background color gray, color white, and here type the align, text align center. So health benefits of orange. So here I will change orange health benefits. I will put it. So it will be I will change here orange health benefits. Health benefits orange health benefits. Health benefits. Now in this the second, here I use the UL tag. So you know how what is the use of UL tag. It can create a unordered list, and in the first term we learn this how to do it setting, and after that body tag HTML. I did not design internal, so I use here inline style sheet. So I will save it as a p3 dot html. So now HTML. Now see the output of the program. Save it. So already I connect the p3 there. So it is going to display here fruits. Here when you click on this, it displays the orange. So orange health benefits. So in this thing it is going to display. So p2 already I connect, so we will see directly how it will be. So here I will show you p1 and p2. Here whenever I create a index place from any navigated bar, that time I connect this. So now see here, where did I connect? See here, sorry, p2.html. Again here I put the p3.html, so p4.html, p5.html, p6. That we are going to, so 2 I have create. Now next I will create again new, and I will copy paste that text. The third already I have created. So now see here, third page, I will Control A and Control C, and I will paste in this program. So it will be displayed the next. So here I will use the internal style sheet. Here I did not use internal again. Next I think. So h1 tag, same. Background color I use here white. Here jackfruit health benefits, and h1 close. And again I use here UL tag. So how to use UL tag? Everyone know how to use this UL tag. So see here, UL tags, LIS, and close it, body tag close. So now see output of the program. So when I correct it, so p3 p4 dot html. So see the output of the program. Now output of the program, see. So when I click on this, so when p4, I did not say .html text it. So save as p4 dot html. Now all files are saved. So in this way it is going to do. So output of the program are like this developments. Getting? So when I index page, I will open and see now. So when I click on the jackfruit, it displays the jackfruit. So I hope so you understood how to connect the web page. Getting? So in this way we can connect this watermelon also and banana also. Getting? So that also I will explain you. So banana and watermelon, again you have to create this file or this the page, particular page you have to create. Till now everyone I also understood this how to create. Now here text 4 and 5 I will take now. This is the benefits of here I use the internal style sheet. We learn what is the use of internal style sheet. I will copy, Control A, Control C, and internal style sheet, what purpose it is used to design a web page. And see here now p5 right here, p5. So see from first I will explain. Now here I use HTML head tag and CSS type OLLI. So color white, font size 30 pixel, height 100, and style close, and title tag p1, head tag close, body tag. How did I design? See body tag here. See again here I use the internal style sheet, background color tag, this watermelon health benefits, And next I oil tag I use here. Oil tag help you stay there, so yeah, packed with the nutrition beneficial plant. Now may have the anti-cancer effects and may improve the heart attacks. So now may reduce the inflammations and you will attack body close. So in this way I use here internal and inline styles. So I hope so you understood this. Now P5, sorry, P5 P5 dot html, and I will close now. Now it's saving. Now see the output of the program. P5 directly also you can open. So already I connect this, so it is going to watermelon health benefits. So next when I click on this, so it will be display the watermelon health benefits. So in this way you can create a simple website. Now last banana, so that last page I will design. Now again I will use the notepad. Already I create only text, I copy and paste. So already created that I will show you. So last few banana. Here also I use the internal style sheet, Control A. So if you learn this website creation, so you will understand this internal style sheet, external style sheet, and inline style, as well as the class selector. This all part I explain in this. If you have any query, you can ask me and type in a comment box. So I hope so you understood this. So here also see what I did. Internal style sheet I use here. Here HTML head, title, style tag I use UL. Not here another list I put heights 100 pixel, white color, font size, and style. This is called the internal style sheet. And after that head close, and here I use the body tags brown color, and h1 tag style. This is the inline style. This style is equal to background color. For particular heading I apply this inline style sheet, background color white. This is LX. I denote a comma I close. Banana health benefits. And after that I use here UL tag and all. See now UL tag I use here for this. Rich in nutrition, LI, this may improve the blood sugar level, may support the digestive health, may support the heart health, may improve the kidney health. So these are the benefits, health benefits. And I close the body tag and HTML. So I hope so you understood this, how to create a simple websites. So anybody have any query about it, you can ask me, you can put in a comment box, I will improve. So now see I will close it. This is the last part of the website HTML. So now see I will save it, and this last I will fruits website, and here display output. Now I will open that index page and I will show you how it will be displayed. So in this way we can create a simple websites. So I hope so you understood. So first part I explained, second part, third part, and fourth part. So if you like it, share to your friends and subscribe my channel for further CSS video. Thank you for watching video.